Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Sannappa Rajan. Hey, today in our tutorial we are going to see about 24-hour weekly 24-hour timer configuration in Siemens Logo PLC. Okay, this configuration usually we used to switch on or switch off your device on time basis within a week and any day at any time. Okay, so let's see how we can configure. Okay, open the application, new, go to function block diagram. Okay, here you can select weekly timer. Okay, this weekly timer, you can see there are three cams available, so you can set three different times at any day at any time. Okay, so now we'll see. Now I have AC in my house, so I want to switch on this AC morning 8 o'clock and switch off this AC evening 6 o'clock automatically. So we'll see. Okay, so I will select one time cam full day. First select what are the days you want, so there are 7 days in week. Okay, on time. Okay, on time 8 o'clock and out time evening 6. Okay, this is an example, so you can switch on your switch up at your AC at any time. That's okay. Okay, so now we'll see. Now time has been set, so you can use output. Okay, now you will see simulation. Okay, now the timer is under on time, so our output is enabled. So we will change the time to check it. Okay, so the now the timer is in off condition, so it switched off the unit. And also you can configure any two pump duty standby pump 12 hour time basis, or 6 hour 6 hour time basis. You can configure that time also, that we will see how we can configure. Let example, Q1 is for pump 1 and Q2 for pump 2 operation. Okay, now we'll see how we can configure for 12 hour operation. Okay, so we'll use NONC configuration. We change the timer night 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock duty, and another 12 hour is first 12 hour is pump 1 duty, another 12 hour is pump 2 duty. Okay, so our on time is 12, off time is 12 p.m, on time is 12 a.m. Okay, or 0 a.m. Okay, in this case we have to use NCNO concepts. Okay, this block will use NO and this will be NC. Okay, pump 1 on, pump 2 on. Now the time is for pump 2 duty, so now we will change the timing and check. Okay, now see, pump 1 is on. Now pump 1, this pump will run till 12 p.m, then it will change automatically to pump 2. Okay, we'll see till 13. Okay, now pump 2 on. So this is how we can configure this any units, any AC or pump or whatever units which you can you want to switch on or switch off by time basis. You can use this weekly time blocks, and you can configure it in such a way. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are new for my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for my future video upload notification. Okay, till then, bye from Sannappa Raja.